Friends, hope you all are doing your FAs with full concentration and in a systematic way. Let's begin our today's class, mensuration from paper 2, exercise 10.2, question number 7. I'll just read the question. A hemisphere is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden box such that the diameter of hemisphere is equal to the side of the cube. Determine the total surface area of remaining solid. See, this is what a cubical box. See, from this hemisphere is cut out from one end of cubical box. Yeah, from one part we are removing a hemisphere. Okay, yes, a hemisphere chale ja raha. We have to find the total surface area of remaining solid. पहले क्या है माँ? Total surface area of cube. Okay, प्लस ये शेप कट करने के बाद ये शेप रिमेनिंग रहता माँ, ये शेप रहता, प्लस LSA ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर माइनस इसका टॉप नहीं है, देखो मैं इसका टॉप नहीं है, खाली ये बॉटम का शेप है, माइनस एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. नथिंग इज गिवन, कुछ भी आपको डायमेंशन से वो नहीं दिया, बस आपको इतने से आपको हिंट लेके करना है. TSA ऑफ ए क्यूब, फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट? TSA ऑफ क्यूब इज let the side be A, ये पूरा A है माँ, let side be A. So TSA of cube is what? 6A square plus LSA of hemisphere फॉर्मूला क्या है माँ? 2 pi r square. अब यहाँ पर देखिए माँ, r क्या है माँ आपका? ये तो डायमीटर है, A is diameter, A is what? Diameter. r क्या रहता माँ आपका? A/2. So 2 pi r, that is A/2 whole square, minus pi, again value of r is pi r square. So 6A square plus 2 pi A square by 4 minus pi A square by 4. A square, A into A is A square, 2 2s are 4. So 6A square plus LCM ले लो मैं, LCM क्या है हम आपका 4. 2 pi A square minus 1 pi A square becomes a pi A square. Is it clear? 6A square plus pi A square by 4. Now take A square common. What is left? 6 plus pi by 4. So what is the total surface area of remaining solid is A square into 6 plus pi by 4. This is the area of total surface area of remaining solid. Is it clear? See, the next question, that is 8th one, is similar what we have did. I'll just give you the hints, do it as an homework. Do it as an homework. Is it clear? 8th question is for homework. 8th one is for homework. This is a cylinder is given, okay, and two hemispheres are stuck. Two hemispheres are stuck to it. Find the total surface area of article. What you have to do? Total surface area of article we have to find. Total surface area of article is LSA of cylinder, this is cylinder, LSA of cylinder plus LSA of two hemisphere. LSA of two hemisphere. Put the formulas, everything, all values are given. Just do the substitution work and do this as an homework. This is your homework. Let's move to the next exercise. 10.3, next exercise. I am reading the question. An iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion of 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeters. And an iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion of 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeters in diameter. 20 centimeter in diameter. The diameter is given as 20 centimeter. And a cone of 42 centimeter. This is cone. This is cone on the top, that is of 42 centimeter height. Surmounting on it. Surmounting means cone, cylinder के ऊपर cone है. Surmounting on it. Find the weight of the pillar if 1 centimeter cube of an iron weight is 7.5 grams. See, weight, हमको weight पूछ रहा है. कभी भी weight पूछते हैं, what we have to find? Volume. Weight, mass is nothing but volume. We have to find volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. First, what we have to find? Volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of iron pillar. Volume of iron pillar is nothing but volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. Everything is there in PDF. If I put directly, you people put the formulas, values and do it. Volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder formula. Volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. And volume of cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is, pi value is 22 by 7. The radius of cylinder कितना दिया हमने? 20 सेंटीमीटर. यहाँ पर देखिए मैं वैल्यूज लिख रही हूँ, मैं सिलेंडर के वैल्यूज लिख रही हूँ. रेडियस ऑफ सिलेंडर इज हाउ मच? डायमीटर दिया हमने, डायमीटर इज 20, तो रेडियस विल बी हाफ ऑफ डायमीटर, दैट इज 10. सो दैट इज 10 into 10 into height is given. Height is how much? Height is given as 2.8 meters. सारे वैल्यू सेंटीमीटर्स में है, एक मीटर्स में नहीं हो सकता. सो वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस विथ 100. सो वी विल गेट 280 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 280 प्लस 1 by 3 pi value is 22 by 7. डायरेक्टली आई एम डूइंग इंटू आर. रेडियस भी सेम रहेगा क्योंकि सिलेंडर के ऊपर है, तो दोनों का रेडियस सेम रहता. इंटू 10 into height of cone is given as 42. अब क्या करेंगे मैं? 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 0. 7 1s are 7, 7 6s are 42. Multiply 22 into 10 into 10 is nothing but 100 into 40 plus ये भी कटता ना, 3 1s are 3 2s are, that is 22. Again 2 zeros into 2. Multiply this and get the answer. 8 8 8 8 0 0 0 plus when you multiply this 4 4 0 0 ऐड कर लो मैं दोनों को. 9 2 4 0 0 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. वी गॉट दी वॉल्यूम ऑफ आयरन पिलर. मैं देखो मैं एक ही साथ कर दी वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. आप लोग वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर आप लोग को आता कैलकुलेट करना. फ्रॉम 9th क्लास यू पीपल आर डूइंग वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर. पुट दी फॉर्मूला, डू दी सब्सटीट्यूशन, यू विल गेट दिस आंसर. नेक्स्ट यू पुट वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन, डू दी सब्सटीट्यूशन, you get the answers, add it up. If you feel this is easy, go for this. So we got the volume of pillar, but we want the weight, total weight of pillar. Total weight of a pillar. Weight of a pillar. क्वेश्चन में देखिए माँ क्या है माँ. weight of pillar if 1 centimeter cube of an iron weight is 7.5 grams. That is 1 centimeter cube of iron pillar is how much? 7.5 grams. अब हमको आंसर क्या है माँ? 92400 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. That is 92400 0 centimeter cube is equals to how many grams? Multiply 92400 into 7.5. That is nothing but, when you multiply this, you will be getting 69300 grams. So therefore, weight of iron pillar is, conclusion is very very important, is 69300 grams. Is it clear? Next question is a bit lengthy. I'll do that in next video. The third one is little bit small, so that I can complete it in today's video. So I'm doing the third question, not the second one. Second I'll be doing in next video. So I'm reading the question. Find the volume of the largest right circular cone that can be cut out of a cube whose edge is 7 centimeter. एक क्यूब है बोल के बोल रहा हूँ. ओके, ये आपका क्यूब है. ठीक है, इसके अंदर एक कोन है बोल रहा हूँ. ओके, सो द हाइट ऑफ द कोन विल बी इक्वल टू edge of cube. हाइट ऑफ द कोन, अब इसके अंदर आपका कोन है ना माँ, हाइट ऑफ द कोन विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? एच ऑफ द क्यूब. एंड डायमीटर ऑफ कोन अगेन विल बी इक्वल टू एच ऑफ क्यूब. देखो माँ आप लोग, डायमीटर कितना था? डब्बे के अंदर कौन है तो जितना डब्बा है उसकी हाइट भी उतनी रहेंगी, डायमीटर भी उतना रहेगा. सो दैट मीन्स what is given? Edge is given, that is 7 centimeter. Height will be what? Height of cone is equals to 7 centimeter, since edge of the cube is given as 7 centimeter. So height of the cone is equal to edge of the cube. See, height of the cone is equals to edge of the cube. हाइट आ गई हमको 7 सेंटीमीटर. एंड डायमीटर ऑफ द कोन, डायमीटर कितना है हमारा? डायमीटर ऑफ द कोन is again equals to edge of the cube, that is 7. So radius will be what? Half of the diameter, that is 7/2. Height is again height of the cone equal to edge of the cube, that is 7 centimeter. We have to find the volume of cone. We have to find volume of cone. Volume of cone formula 1/3 pi r square h. That is 1/3 into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into 7. 7 cancel, 2 1s are 2 11s are. Multiply 11 into 49/6. मल्टीप्लाई करिए और डिवाइड करिए, यू विल गेट इट 89.83 centimeter cube. This is all for today's class. Complete your classwork then and there. Don't keep your work pending, because you have to complete your FAs, your classwork, everything. So this is all for today. Thank you.